Here's another adorable card that we made at my January card class. And in that class, we featured the Heartfelt Hexagon stamp set along with the matching punch. Now, I paired it here with the Lighter Than Air Designer Series paper, and that's what we used for the whole class. And all of the cards turned out so cute because they're really light and springy, and I just really love the way that they all turned out. So this card won't be on my website because it's from class, but if you're interested in the tutorial for all the cards, you can go to my Made to Create store. It's on my website at madetocreatewithlisa.com. Now we're just going to tie some twine around here. This is actually a really easy card, but it just turned out so cute. And unfortunately, right now I have so many people who are in need of sympathy cards, so this sentiment in this set is just perfect. So we put together the card base here, and then we will put it onto the main card. Now, like I said, this is just a really easy one. I try to do both styles in each class so that the whole class isn't too intense. But I am taking registration right now for next month's class, and I'd love to have you join me. I do mail them all over the United States, as well as offer them in person here in Washington State. Have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you again soon.